butterfly. Butterfly. Windshield wipers. Half a butterfly. An old man on his deathbed remembers the summer he fell in love. She was out of his league, and he was young and scared. He let her go, thinking surely summer would come again. It never did.
You are perfect match. 10 out of 10.
I don't understand. What's going on?
Just say something to make Mother Guy cry, okay?
You are no longer panned. Banned.
I want to explore the world with you, Wade Ripple. I want to have you with me in my life forever.
Your, chimney needs cleaning.